A pandemic like the COVID-19 can reshape the world. Amid the heavy losses, it made us realize how interconnected our worlds are with the pathogens. With the heavy infectious disease burden in the country and the rising issue of antimicrobial resistance, we all now identify the paramount importance of infectious disease biology research. Our work on the dreaded SARS-CoV-2 virus, which caused the COVID-19 pandemic, was just the tip of the iceberg. A large share of our work is on several pathogens such as bacteria, virus, and protozoans, causing diseases like TB, dengue, and malaria, among others. Each one of them is of serious concern for public health. Knowing how the pathogens interact with the host is key to dealing with pathogenesis. Our approach is to study how the pathogen survives and thrives in different conditions. With this, we have made great leaps in understanding how bacteria elongate, divide, and split during cell division to become two equal daughter bacterial cells. Similarly, we investigate the molecular basis of the multiplication of bacteria, viruses, and protozoan parasites in the host cell and decipher the molecular mechanisms by which pathogens take over host cells. Plants are equally susceptible to pathogens. We went about identifying resistance to pathogens as a genetic trait, and this has helped us in developing infection-resistant crops. It provides a broad perspective on health and disease, the dynamic nature of host-associated microbes, an in-depth understanding of the origins and dynamics of infectious diseases, and finally, about the nature of health, disease, and disease management. We believe these will also lead to novel strategies for alternate antimicrobial therapeutics. When we look back in 2019, we were unprepared for a pandemic. However, we are now ready for such events in the future. CCMB has strong collaborations with the best research facilities and institutes across the world to carry out research on pathogens. If this inspires you to take up research, come and join us in our endeavor to make the world a better place to live in.